Hi friends, this is Vetrivel. This tutorial I will teach how to bind a data grid view with coding and without coding. So what we do, I need to create a project, file and new, and click the project here. Here Windows application. So I need to change bind data and click OK. Okay. Now what can I do? I need to add two grid view here. Here I need to add two grid view, 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2. I need to change a little bit. Okay, control this saving. So what can I know? What can I do? I need to add one data source here. So new item here, local database 1 SDF and service based database. So MDF. I am choosing service based database. So just click add. So if there once this database added, just click next. Is retrieving the database informations at this dataset database one dot dataset. Just I'm finish it. Okay. Now click that double click here. You will get Server Explorer in that here. Here in table section you click right click and add new table. Here I need to add some columns ID. So where ID is I'm doing and name varchar. Okay, this is varchar and age hint and salary float. Jet control s. Table name is emp. Now I close this and go to once again and click show table data. Here I need to type ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here name John, age 25 and salary like Peter, Mary, Vetrivel, Hussain, Raja, Ravi, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 255, 255, Now I added the details. I have 7 data here. So what can I do now? I need this is I am using this without coding, and this is with coding. So first I am doing without coding. So click here and select data source, other data source, and project data source, and click. I think add a project data source, click. So what can I do? First here to select and select, click here, add project data source, and next, and next. So this is connections, you will see the connection string also, and click next. So it will retrieving the data, and click the tables, employee table, tables, and finish. So you will get the details. So once I am just running the project, you will get all the details. This is without coding. Without coding we are using this like that. Okay, and stop the project and run once again. Okay, now I need to now use this grid view with coding. So what can I do? Just double click the form. Here I need to write some code. So first of all I am using system dot data dot sql client here, and here I am writing the code sql connection con equal to new sql connections. Inside a connection I will write, just click the your database and go to the properties. You will find the connection string here. Just control a control c. I am copying the connection string and paste it. So it will showing some error because of the underline single underscore. Before that you have to put at sign, so it will won't show the error. Otherwise you have to make it double slash, then also it will doesn't show the error. Okay, control s. I'm saving this record, and I'm using sql data adapter sda equal to new sql data adapter. Here I'm writing code for that. So you have any doubt about the select query, just click a table anything, you have find the new query, then you have to select the employee table and click these all columns, so it will showing and execute also. You will get those details and copy this code and go to the form one. Inside the double quote you have to paste it, so make it a single line. Okay, and still is showing the error because we need to specify the connection also. So just put the comma, after the comma you have to specify connections, save on, so it won't show the error. So I need to declare data table dt equal to new data table here. So inside it I need to fill the data table. So uh, sda dot fill, inside you have to put dt. So it will fill. So we need to specify the data table into grid view. So data grid view, I think it's 2 dot data source equal to dt. I think it's done. So this is data grid view 2, right? Yeah. Now I'm click on the project. So same like we will get those details. See, this is using with coding, this is without coding. So have the get those details with coding and without coding methods to bind the grid view data. Okay guys, we will meet our next tutorial. If you have meanwhile any doubts and queries, then feel free to ask me in my timeline. Okay guys, we will meet our next